Isang very popular street food sa Boracay, gagawin nating mas gourmet, ang Chori Burger. Let's start cooking. So yung Chori Burger sumikat sa Boracay, pero ngayon popular the world over dahil na-feature siya sa international magazines, no? And ang nagpasikat nun, kaibigan ko sa US, si Tom Cunanan. And today, we are making our own version here at Simpol. And we will start off with ground pork with a lot of taba, di ba? Let's start making our tocino by seasoning our pork with salt. Very important, may salt tayo. So, very important, kung gusto mong maging maganda yung inyong tocino, maganda yung texture, always work with chilled ground pork. Ito, asin pa lang itong nilalagay ko. And you will notice, kahit asin lang siya, ay magbabago yung texture ng ating pork. Magiging malagkit siya. Once our salt is evenly incorporated into our pork, we will add our other stuff. No? So, anong ilalagay natin? Pangpalasa. Garlic. Masarap yung chorizo na garlicky. Soy sauce. Konting soy sauce just for color. Sugar. Yan. Paprika. For a little bit of smokiness, so I'm using smoked paprika. So, kahit hindi siya smoked, ang paprika smoked ko, it will have a smoky flavor. Cracked black pepper. Ako gusto ko yung black pepper ko pag chorizo. Medyo may malaking pieces, no? I want to bite into that spiciness. If you want it spicy pa, chili flakes. And as a binder, I will just add a little bit of cornstarch. Yan! Konting masahe lang to until we have a very nice, sticky mixture, no? So what we will do is, we will cook it right away. Pero, if you want the flavors to develop, gagawin mo, after this, you chill it in your refrigerators overnight. No? Yan! I'm ready! I think ang ganda na ng aking chorizo and mabango siya, ha? Yan. And I will just shape. Are you ready? Magluto na tayo. Gusto ko nang kumain. So, you can shape your chorizo into like burger buns. I want my portions to be generous, no? Kasi may shrinkage yan eh. No, when you cook, yan. Yan. And I will make 3, but before I add my burgers into my grill pan, I will just put a little oil. Konting oil lang, no? Kasi may fat na yung ating pork. I'll just add a little bit of oil. Ito siya, of course, mas gourmet ito kaysa nakikita mo sa mga sidewalk dun sa tabing dagat. Oh, pinabongga na Chori Burger. So we really want our grill marks to be there because that will add so much flavor and caramelization. So ito siya, unang kagat, chorizo lahat kasi sobrang laki ng aking patties. Look at that, no? Namula-mula na rin yung aking oil because of the paprika. Yan. And on the other side, I will prepare my buns. Hello mga ka-Simpol! Don't forget to grab copies of my Simpol Cookbooks available on Lazada and Shopee in the Philippines and on Amazon internationally. Add to cart na. Very nice, smoky aroma. And alam mo yung the smell of burning sugar? Yun talaga, yun ano pa, nagluluto yata ng chorizo to, nagluluto yata to ng tocino. Yun ang amoy niya. Very nice. Ito siya, babalik ta rin ko. Flip. Oh, wow. Beautiful. Yan. Una, we want to grill para ganito siya. Sobrang ganda ng kanyang color. Then later on, pwede natin pahinaan yung ating heat. Para para sigurado tayong luto yung loob. Because we don't want the bits of raw meat and the taste of raw taba. Di ba? Hindi masarap yung hilaw na taba. Dapat luto siya because it will develop a very nice flavor. And I have my nice buns covered with sesame seeds. Buns, very nice burger buns. And what I will do here inside, I will just spread a little bit of butter. Luto na yung aking first na chorizo, and malalaman mo siya pag luto, no? When you press it in the middle, it's already firm. Very important, tatabi natin, and we will let it rest. Kasi napagod siya sa kakaluto eh. Yan, so rest mo yung iyong baboy, yung chorizo, and now, eto, the first bun. I will just put it here. Yan. Yan. And you can put whatever you want, no? Pwedeng atsara kasi Pinoy eh. Diba? Yan, nag-warm na siya. I'm so excited. Oh, look at that. Beautiful, no? Yan, ating buns. And here I have my dressing. Ito, Sriracha mayo. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Okay na to. I'm happy. Lettuce. But what I will do is dito ko ilalagay yung onion sa ilalim. I love that. A bit of sharpness. Ang ating chorizo while it's still very, very hot. And my tomatoes. And our topping. And look at that. Oh my God. Final touch is to press down. Press it down. That's your burger, your Chori Burger. And my chips or whatever you have. I think di mo na kailangan mag-isip pa ng ibang bagay. Basta ito, alam kong masarap siya. Sorry, Doc. Trabaho lang po, Doc. Yan. Isang kagat lang, Doc. 1, 2, ready? Ito na ang ating pinabonggang street food recipe for the day. Chori na may bawas. Ating Chori Burger. Simple! Please like and share my videos. And if you like more recipes like this, please click here to subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell button to get notified. Simple!